Hello class, welcome once again. How are you all? I think you all are fit and fine. Okay, so now this is your study time. We are going to start a new chapter, that is large numbers. Okay, we will discuss in this chapter up to 10 crore. It is already mentioned, it is up to 10 crore. So let me tell you first what is number. Okay, number, it's very common, you know, we are using in all the cases. In our day to day life we are using number. But what is number? It is an arithmetical value or amount or quantity which you expressed in words, in figures. Yes, why we are using numbers? Because we can represent the things, we can solve the problems, we can calculate. Yes, so in everything it is related to your number. Okay, so we will start this chapter, large numbers. You can see on the board I have written some numbers. Okay, it's starting 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, and here 9, 99, 999, 9999, and so on. Okay, so let me tell you what is this and what is this. This is 1 and this is 9. How many digits? It contains only one digit. That means this is one digit, this is also one digit. This is called the smallest one digit number and this is called largest one digit number. Then comes to next. How many digits are here? 2 digit. Here also 2 digits. Here it is 10, here it is 99. Okay, that means this is smallest 2 digit number and this is largest 2 digit number. This is largest 3 digit number, this is smallest 3 digit number. So like this, these are the smallest and these are the largest numbers according to how many places we are counting. Okay, one thing you see, this is just like a magic. If we will take 9, if we will add plus 1, how much you are getting? 10. Yes, that means after this we are getting this. So when you will add 1 in the largest one, you are getting the second smallest number. Okay, so here 99, we are adding 99 plus 1, how much we are getting? 100. See, here it's coming 100. Okay, so this is your smallest and this is your largest. We are going to discuss the how we are writing this and how many places it's containing. See, I have written here. Can you tell me what is this? This is one number. If I will put commas in between, so we cannot say that this is a number now. Why? Because I have given already commas. Why we are putting commas? To separate all the digits. So now we can say these are single digits. We cannot say this is a large number. If we will omit the commas, okay, then we can say this is a large number. This is called a large number. We cannot read such a large number very easily. Okay, for that, how to read and how to write this large number, we are going to follow some system, that is called number system. There are so many systems are there, like your binary system, decimal system, so many systems are there. So we will follow the system that is called number system. And one system we are going to discuss here, that is called Indian place value system. Okay, this is called Indian place value system. You don't know about this place value system. We are going to discuss with taking this example. Okay, so this is how many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means 9 places are here. Clear? This is a 9-digit number. Okay. So always remember, we will start counting from right side. We will start counting on right side. Okay. Right side means the right side contains the place value that is ones. Okay. This is called ones place. Next comes to tens. Next place is your 100. Okay. Ones, tens, 100. This is coming under one group. Remember this? This is coming under one group, that is called ones group. We can say this is a group or period. What we can say? We can say this is a group or period. Okay. So how many places? 1, 2 and 3 from right side. Okay. So this is your ones group. Then comes to next. This place is your 1000 and this place is your 10,000. So both are coming under 1000. So we can say these two places are 1000 group. Okay. So this is your first period. This is your second period. Then comes to next. This is your lakh and this is your 10 lakh. Both are related to your lakh group. So we can name as lakh group. Then come to next two digits. This is your crore and this is your 10 crore. So we can say this group name is crore group. Okay. So I have divided this large number into 4 different groups. Clear? How many groups? 4 different groups or 4 periods. Okay. So first 3 digit, this is ones group or ones period. Then second 2 digit 1000 group. Then third 2 digits lakh group. Then fourth group is crore group. Okay. After dividing into groups, what we are going to do? We are going to separate all the groups. How we will separate? By putting commas. Okay. I am writing here again 3, 4, 2, 4, 0, 1, 8, 9, 7. So here you can see I have taken one group as taking 3 places. Clear? So let's take 1, 2, 3 and you put a comma. That means I have separated this group from this first group. Then how many place? 2 place. Then take 2 place and put another comma. Okay. Then put another comma after 2 digit. Clear? Now this is your crore. So now we can read this number easily. I have divided into 4 groups. This is one group, this is one group, this is one group and this is one group. Okay. So when we are going to read this number, how we will read? We will read in group wise. Combiningly we will read this number like your 34 crore. Okay. 34 crore. Then 24 lakh. Then 01 means 1000. Then 897. Okay. 34 crore, 24 lakh, 1897. Like this you can read the number and easily we can also write this number, that 34 crore, 24 lakh, 1897. Okay. Pause दे दो ना. So children, I have taken one example of large number and I have written all the place values. Okay, now we are going to discuss the place value of all these places. So we will start from right side, means from 1's place. Okay, what is the place value of 1? It is placed in 1's place, means 1 into 1, the place value is 1. Okay, and this is placed in 10's place. So what is the place value? 3 into 10, because it is in 10's place. So what is the value of this? This will be 30. Clear? Then this is placed in 100 place. So we will multiply by 100. 4 into 100. What is the value? 400. Clear? Then this is placed in 1000 place. So what you will do? 2 into 1000. The value you will get 2000. Then this is your 10,000 place. So what you will do? 7 into 10,000. The value will get 70,000. Clear? Then this is your lakh place. So what you will do? 9 into 1 lakh. Do you know how many zeros are there in 1 lakh? There are 5 zeros. 3, 4, 5. So value you will get 9 lakh. Clear? Then it is 0. In which place? 10 lakhs place. So 0, the value will be 0 into 10 lakh. Again the value will be 0, because we know any number you will multiply with 0, the result will be 0. Then come to crore place. It is placed 8. So how much you will write? 8 into 1 crore. How many zeros are there in 1 crore? There are 7 zeros. Clear? Then the value will be 8 crore. Okay, then this is 8 crore. Then comes to 10 crore. The number is present 6. So 6 multiplied by 10 crore. And the result you will get 60 crore. Okay, so this is all about your place value system. This is your place value chart. So 1's, 10's, 100, this is coming under 1's group. These two are 1000 group. These two are lakh group. These two are crore group. So many more place values are there, but we will discuss till 10 crore now. Okay. So this is all about your place value, and we can write as expanded form this. How to write? This is your 60 crore plus this is 8 crore plus it is already 0. It is placed in 10 lakh place, so value is 0. Then comes to 9 lakh. Then 70,000 plus 2,000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 1. Okay. So the number we will get 68 crore 9 lakh 72,431. This is, I have written in figure. We can express this number in the words also. Okay, how to write in words? You will write 68 crore. Then 9 lakh. 72,431. Okay, so this is your place value chart. This is your expanded form, and we are writing this number in figure as well as in words. We will proceed in the next class with another place value system.